Hey guys, so for today's video, I created this super soft, all matte eye look, except for the inner corner, and I used the new Sigma Warm Neutrals mini palette. Sigma just launched these mini eyeshadow palettes about a month ago, and I'm trying to do a video with each one, so I have a video with Corte Rosa, Enchanted, and now Warm Neutrals. So if you want to see how I got this super soft matte eye look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, here is what the Warm Neutrals palette looks like. I love these 7 colors. I think today I want to do something pretty soft, so let's get started. So I already primed my eyes with the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer, and I just uploaded an in-depth video on exactly how I prime my eyes, so if you want to check that out, I'll link that up here. I'm going to start with the shade Passion Fruit on a Sigma E35, and I'm just going to blend that throughout my entire crease. This shade is a lot more pigmented than it looks in the pan. Like, it's showing up very pink. I kind of like it with my pink hair. Now I'm just going to take any kind of skin tone color shadow and just blend that right below my brow, just so there's a really nice smooth transition. Now I'm going to pick up Toasty on the same brush, and I picked up that shade right on the tip of this brush. And I'm just going to tap this on the outer half of my lid and kind of bring it into my outer crease. I kind of think I want to keep this look matte. Like, I haven't done an all matte eye in a while. Alright, I like how this is looking so far. I think to keep it matte, I'm going to take a light foundation powder. This is the Charlotte Tilbury one in the shade number 1. And I'm just going to take that on a E54. And I'm just going to put that on the inner part of my lid, just to add a little bit of lightness here, but we're still keeping it matte. I had to adjust my curtains on my windows. I feel like this lighting is a little more accurate with how it looks like in person, but I think I'm happy with this for now. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera, and then we'll finish up the eyes together. All right, my face makeup is done. Let's finish up the eyes. I'm gonna take more Toasty on a Sigma E30, and I'm just gonna run that along my entire lower lash line. I told you we're gonna keep this super simple today. If you want to, you could totally add more of that pinky passion fruit shade down in the lower lash line as well, but I think I'm gonna keep it there with just the Toasty shade. And then I'm gonna take Charmer on a Sigma LO4, and I'm gonna use that to highlight the inner corner. So we're keeping the entire eye look matte, just except the inner corner, because I like to have a shimmery inner corner. But if you want to keep this look completely matte, you could just use like a totally matte white for this step. And then I'm gonna add just a touch of Charmer under my brow. Now I'm going to pop on some mascara. I'm going to use my favorite Thrive Cosmetics one. And then I take a Q-tip and just kind of brush away any mascara marks. So I do really like how my lashes look with just mascara, and I know I don't need fake eyelashes, but I just like to wear them. So I'm going to take my brand The Bright Lashes and the Half Lash Flare. And since they're half lashes, you can apply them straight out of the box with no trimming. I'm just going to hold them in my fingers and brush some glue on. And then I just apply them with my fingers. So here is one eye with the lash and the other eye without. All right, so I have my lashes on. Now I like to take my little lash applicator, I like to call it my squeezy tool, and I just squeeze my natural lashes with the fake ones. So it makes the lash band kind of blend in with your natural lashes. And you want to do this step once the glue is completely dry. There we go. All right, and here is what the full face looks like with this soft eye look. I think this whole look is so pretty. For my lips, I'm wearing the About Face matte lip pencil in Smoking Room. It's a really pretty, just like nudie brown. And then I popped on the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat in the shade Fenty Glow. I realized I have this in like all the formulas, but I freaking love this color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.